Hi, my name is John Meldrum, and I'm the owner of Breaking Phoenix Digital Marketing, and I have an exciting announcement. On September 25th, from 11:30 to 1 p.m. at National University in Rancho Cordova, California, I'm going to be hosting an hour-and-a-half workshop called Lights, Camera, Action, Video Marketing Decoded. You're going to be spending an hour and a half with me learning the latest tech trends on social media and specifically with video and how it's helping businesses just like yours grow. This is a presentation where phones are turned on and in your hands, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to use different services like Facebook, Facebook Live, Facebook Creator, boosting posts, running ads, using Instagram, Instagram Live, Instagram TV, LinkedIn, and a host of other different services that are helping businesses to promote themselves online and on social media. So what are you waiting for? Head over to what'sinitforyou.com and scroll to Lights, Camera, Action, Video Marketing Decoded. Click on that and register for the event. If you email me at john@breakingphoenix.com, I'll send you a promo code to get a discount off the initial price. Come hungry, come prepared, come to have fun, and I look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday at National University.